top and the bottom. You can see that for yourself. But this was a bid watch here. This was an offer watch here. This was a bid watch area here. This was a bid an offer here, a bid area here, an offer area here, and a bid watch here. You can see what's happened to every one of those triggers. This one eventually went up. There was a bit of draw. This one went down. This one went down. This one went up. This one went up. This one went down. And this one went up, given a reasonable size trade. Now, that's obviously from 1800 hours to 2300 hours. There's a lot of time on this chart. But those swings are not chump change. You know, there's $200-300 potentially swings on a trade that doesn't really go anywhere. And yet you're still being able to bottom and top tick these things. Crazy nice outcomes, guys, for something like this. And all I did was mark off exactly where these bid and offer watches were on gold. And you can start to recognize the outcomes from those bid and offer watches becomes quite significant, doesn't it?